flying their flight course. Medical's looking at different radiation levels and readings. Rope team's building a rover. Geo's looking at rocks, those types of things. This is granite. Or medical is like taking radiation readings and sending it to mission control so they can decide, like, is there too much radiation by the life support station? Is there too much radiation by the rope station?